Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Kimm Brown, your girl, here to help you look your best on or off the camera. And today it is all about my skincare regimen, my easy steps, but step by step so you can see how and what I use. I love my TimeWise repair system, and that is what I'm going to feature today, along with a couple of extra massaging items. So enjoy, stay tuned, and I'll see you in a few. So I'm going to begin with prepping my skin and getting it ready for the skincare. So micellar water, it is not to be confused with a cleanser, and micellar water is usually my first step of two cleaning my skin. So it will gently yet effective. There's no rinsing or harsh rubbing required, removes impurities, and it helps break down makeup, and it leaves my skin hydrated. Now, along with my Skinvigorate Sonic brush and my moisture rich foaming cleanser in the TimeWise repair system, I am going to wash my face and allow all the nutrients and the vitamins that are in my cleanser get deep into my skin. I love to use this Skinvigorate Sonic brush. This cleansing, it features 3 speeds, and the device allows you to control your cleansing with a touch of the button. Now, it cleans in hard-to-reach places with over 20,000 micro bristles. And if you've ever washed your face with just a washcloth or your hand, use this just once and you will realize how much dirt you are leaving on your face. My skin feels nourished, baby soft, and ready for the next step in the TimeWise repair regimen. So the next item I'm talking about is our Rose Quartz roller. It just seems that everyone is talking about the benefits of facial massage. So right now, these massaging methods are all the rage in the skincare world. Whether you're looking for just a little extra self-care or to visibly improve your skin, with the purchase of this TimeWise Repair Advanced Lifting Serum or the TimeWise Replenishing Serum C+E, this cooling tool helps with the product application to make the most out of your facial serum. It's super relaxing, and I feel like I'm getting an at-home spa treatment. So to use the roller, just go ahead and apply your serum, and then use upward and outward motions until your full face is covered. Then take the roller and gently roll outwards across the cheeks, over the forehead, roll up and out, always up and out, from your eyebrows, and finally down your chin. This is so relaxing, and it's cooling. You saw the TimeWise Repair Eye Renewal Cream. I'm using that under my eyes, and it takes away deep wrinkles. It helps increase the skin moisture around for 12 hours, so morning and evening. It will help and restore. It helps with sagging skin, and it also reduces puffiness. That specific tool that is on there, it has a specific customized application tip, and it's designed to help stimulate your microcirculation, and that is what helps get rid of puffiness. It is such a wonderful product. I like to go back and just kind of use my roller, and I'll go back up underneath my eyes and just kind of roll that puffiness away. When you're done with this, you just take it. I just use my warm washcloth and I very gently just rinse it or just wipe it off, and then I put it away again. I always keep it back in that styrofoam holder that it comes in. I'm not sure why, I just do. I think that way it keeps it cool and it keeps it clean. The next step would be my day cream. Now, this is our TimeWise Repair VOLU-FIRM day cream. Sunscreen broad spectrum for 30 SPF. This will help totally restore your youthful cushion. Skin tone appears more even. It will hydrate your skin, moisten your skin for 12 hours. And then it also will minimize the skin reaction to external irritants. Of course, it helps prevent UVA and UVB damage. Now I am going to take the brush off my Skinvigorate Sonic and I'm going to put my facial head massage on there. And I love this. This massager is known to promote microcirculation and it bringing oxygen and nutrients to the skin. It also will hug your face. You'll see as I'm using this, I can literally turn it left or right, and it will get in and around on your jawbone, your eye sockets, your thing, constantly just moves that around. It will deliver more than 24,000 sonic powered micro massages to your face and your neck in a single 2-minute session. 1 minute in the morning, 1 minute at night. It will shut itself off after that 1 minute. Literally, you will notice the difference in your serums because this helps get it deeper into your skin. It is so relaxing and it feels so good. I love to do this specifically when I'm going to bed. It makes me relax. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I would love to hear your comments or your questions. Have a fabulous day. That's it, ladies. Wasn't that simple? I know. I love the TimeWise repair system. And you know, there are many other systems in our line. There is our TimeWise 3D Miracle Set. There is our Botanicals, our Mary Kay Naturally line, our Clear Proof for those people that have acne. And then there's our MK Men. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something from it. Please leave me your comment below on what you would like to know more of, or if you have any questions specifically on some of the products. I will answer them to the best of my ability. Also, I have my link down below if you just want to go ahead and purchase it. I enjoy seeing and hear from you, so please share me with your friends, subscribe and hit the bell, do the notification for all, and I will see you next time at the next video. Have a wonderful day.